Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing my 4th of July look. This is 100% identical copy from Selena Ryden and the Nail Hub. So the Nail Hub posted a photo on Instagram and I fell in love with it. I mean, love with it. So then she posted a video. And I was like, I can't not do this because I wanted a 4th of July, but I didn't want red, white, and blue. But I did, but I didn't. So this was the perfect color for me to do. So she just posted the video actually today, like to her Instagram before it was just on the stories. And she put what she used and I was shocked. So I figured the blue, like I knew I had the blue, but I was surprised that it was apple teeny for like the lighter part. Like I was so surprised. So needless to say, we're here again. This is identical copy to them. And this is me doing my nails, essentially copying them. So we are filing, shaping, taking off my old set. We're here. We're almost to the actual tutorial, so I'll let you finish this. All right, so we are going to take the gelish foundation. Again, I've already prepped my nails, which you would have seen parts of it. I already had tacked down, and then this is going to be my first layer that I am doing. So I will put this on all of my nails, and then I will cure it. So here I am taking a form because my little pinky, you know, the little tip part kind of broke off. So no big deal. Just put a form on, reshape it, you know, you're good. I cut mine so it actually fits in my lamp. If that's why you're like, girl, why are you cutting it? Yeah, my lamp is really shallow, so it doesn't really fit too well. So here I'm taking one step, even though there's no label, it essentially wiped off. I didn't use the natural fiber this time because I had one step gel out already from doing my other hand. So I was like, I'm just gonna use this. This is like what I use during glass nails, but it's fine. So again, I'm just going to fill out that little tip. Again, nothing too serious or too hard here. All right, now I'm going to take one step all over all of my nails. So essentially this is the clear base that I'm going to file back to. So again, you would have seen me put gelish foundation, and that's so the gel sticks to me. And then this is like the clear layer that I would file back to when taking off my nails. Going to shape that guy up here.
Just feel my heart inside.
All right, here we are with the good stuff. So I'm taking Justice Buttercream. I don't know if this is only a buttercream or if they have it in a gel as well. I happen to have it in a buttercream. Again, I don't know if they offer it in a gel or just the buttercream. So I am going to take this all over my nails And I'm just gonna let you watch that because literally that's all I'm doing is one thin layer. Hindsight, I may have done two, but you know, easy to say.
Can grow so bright. We found a way into the grace again. Let's not pretend our hearts have life again. Just stay one more night. I'll be by your side. Just stay. Just stay. Let's not pretend. We found our way again. We found our way again. We found our way. A new place.
All right, now we're ready for Appletini. So excited for this, which again, this one shocked me because I did not expect this to be the tip color. So I am going to be doing an ombre. So I am starting off with just a little bit and kind of creating the ombre part first, and then going back to the tip, adding way more color to thicken up the opacity of the glitter. So again, you'll see me kind of spread it out a little bit and then come back and thicken it up at the tip. After midnight, which is really the star of the show here. I mean, there's no like way around this color. This was an absolutely amazing color. So Justice and this color together are like peanut butter and jelly. These just work so well, and I am obsessed. So I will go ahead and put one coat down, and I would say it's a medium size coat. There we go. And then I kind of fade it down some, but I do come in with a second coat because I felt like it needed it. So again, I'll just let you watch this. right, we're back with the second coat. And again, this isn't a huge second coat. It's kind of just like, let me just get some of the little sparse pieces, because you can see I don't even grab that much, and I kind of distribute it to my other nails. Again, this is not a very necessary step if you got really good coverage, but I rather do one decent sized coat and one smaller coat than, you know, one huge chunk and then worry about it not curing. You know, those technical things. Taking one step again, even though it doesn't say one step, I promise you it's one step. And I'm going to put my slip layer down, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my larger kind of bead and feather it down the nails. And then we're going to file, buff, and then fix my mistakes. So I will see you back when we apply Appletini again. All right, we're back applying Appletini. So I think this was a really good step because you have kind of that clear layer on top. But again, I had to fix some of these. But I feel like adding that second layer really, really helped with Appletini. Again, I'm fixing some of the little spots that were filed off. I mean, it's bound to happen. But I really enjoyed putting this second layer on. Again, it's not very thick or very big because we've already filed and buffed the nail, so we don't want to add a really thick layer. But I think just, I don't know what it was, this second layer of the Appletini really made a huge difference, and I don't feel it at all. Like, that's how thin Appletini can get. All right, now we're going to take Super Shiny. I wash my hands, put cuticle oil on, and then we finish it up. So I will let you finish this up. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end of the video. I know it's a little bit longer one, but again, I'm still trying to figure out how to edit the videos because I think real time helps, but you don't want to be real time for everything. So, you know what I mean. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Not today, just stay. Just stay. Just stay. One more night. Just